Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to change color for dark to light in Photoshop. Ready for this? Let's go started. At first, select Quick Selection tool or can also be taken lasso tool. Now select the skin area. Then go to Refine Edge. In this method is not show, then you go to View and select on White. Now selecting some critical area. With for some smooth and also feather. Set value is smooth and select a new layer. Then click OK. Now go to blending option and choose screen. Now need to do select layer 1 and click on mask. Then select the brush. Make sure the foreground color is black. Then just start painting. So that if you want to increase brightness, I think for that in this case it is good. Now press and Ctrl select all layers and Ctrl G or Command G. For that create a group. So let's look that before and after. So let's look the before and after. This is before and this is after. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget subscribe my channel with like, share and comment.